Today, we're going to go over how to tell if gaskets are still usable. With a new gasket, you can see they bend and snap back into place. They're firm and don't fold too easily. Up close, you can see there's no tearing. With old and used gaskets that have been exposed to prolonged heat, you can see when you put a bit of pressure on them, they split around the edges. These are indicators that the gaskets are no longer suitable for use. With prolonged exposure to heat and high temperatures, your gaskets will begin to decarbonize. Along with becoming brittle and cracking easily, you will also find that they leave a powdery residue on your fingers. This is a good indicator that the gaskets are no longer serviceable.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful. And for more information or to schedule an inspection, please contact us via our website www.incor.com.au or give us a call at 03 9800 4118.